Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a lead magnet on Wix. So first, you just have to go to wix.com and then log into your account. Now what you're going to do here is you have to select one of your designs. So let me click one design right here and then tap edit design or edit site. Now it will take you to your design or website dashboard. What you're going to do is you have to click this design site right here, tap this. And this is your Wix website editor. So what you're going to do here is you just have to click this plus icon or add elements. Tap this one. It will show you samples of add elements here, but you have to look for a button. Tap this. And then you will see here theme buttons, text icon buttons, image buttons, document and iTunes buttons. You just have to simply select from any of this. For example, I'm going to tap this one. And then here, what you're going to do is you just have to drag it anywhere. And you can edit this by tapping settings. And then here you can select text and icon only, text only, nothing. Tap text only, and I'm going to change this to sign up. Now, as you can see, there's this links to, so you can tap this one. You can link this to a section, document, email, phone number, or you can basically tap web address right here and then paste the link. Basically, tap done. Now, the customer or client, when they click the sign up button right here, it will take them directly to that specific website or page here on your Wix. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.